Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the electrifying world of Lucid Motors' latest offering, the Gravity SUV. This luxury beast promises to redefine the segment with its blend of exhilarating performance, spacious comfort, and cutting-edge technology. So, buckle up, because in the next 3 minutes, we'll dissect everything you need to know about the Gravity. First up, let's talk about the heart of the Gravity, its electric powertrain. We're looking at a projected range exceeding 440 miles, crushing range anxiety for good. Weekend getaways or epic road trips with the family. No problem, the Gravity has you covered. But range isn't the only story here. This electric beast boasts a peak power of over 800 horsepower, translating to a mind-blowing 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 3.5 seconds. Imagine the instant electric torque pinning you back in your seat. Pure exhilaration. Now, let's move inside the luxurious cabin. With seating for up to 7 passengers, even the third row promises ample space for a comfortable ride. Need to haul bulky items? The second row conveniently folds flat, and there's even a handy 8 cubic foot frunk for extra storage. Technology takes center stage in the Gravity's interior. A massive 34-inch floating display with a stunning 6K resolution dominates the dashboard, offering an immersive infotainment experience. Need an auditory feast to complement the visuals? Crank up the 22-speaker Surreal Sound Pro system, pure audio bliss for every passenger. The Gravity's sleek exterior design matches its impressive performance. Imagine a long and low profile with a massive windscreen, cutting through the wind with a drag coefficient of just under 0.24, efficiency and style combined. Safety is paramount, and Lucid doesn't disappoint. The Gravity is equipped with DreamDrive, an advanced driver assistance system designed to keep you and your loved ones safe. Features like adaptive headlights for better nighttime visibility ensure a confident driving experience. But the Gravity doesn't stop there. It's built on a cutting-edge 900V electrical architecture, allowing for incredibly fast charging. Additionally, a rear-wheel steering system and an air suspension that auto-adjusts based on speed provide exceptional handling and a smooth ride. The wait won't be long. The Lucid Gravity is expected to debut at the Los Angeles Auto Show, with production kicking off in late 2024. Here's the best part. The starting price dips under $80,000, making this luxurious electric SUV surprisingly attainable. So, is the Lucid Gravity your next dream car? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting tech updates, and we'll see you on the next one.